In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a bank account from your Shopify account. This is a useful skill to know, whether you're transitioning to a different payment provider, closing a bank account, or simply switching to a different form of payment. Understanding how to adjust your payment settings ensures you keep your business operations smooth and uninterrupted. To start, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, turn your attention to the bottom left corner of the page, where you'll find the Settings option. This section serves as the central hub for managing all aspects of your store, from shipping details to payment settings, and even your notifications. Click on Settings to proceed. After you've entered the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. Payments are essential to any Shopify store, as this is where you can manage how customers pay and how you receive their payments. Click on Payments to continue on your path to removing your bank account. Within the Payments section, you'll notice different categories for various payment methods available to your store. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be navigating to the Manual Payment Methods section. These are your alternative payment options, often used for bank transfers or other direct payment methods that aren't processed through automated systems like Shopify Payments. Here, you'll see the list of connected accounts. Locate the bank account that you wish to remove and the associated Edit button, then click on Edit to explore this account's settings. At this point, you should be on the editing page for your connected bank account. You're almost finished with the process. Look for the option to deactivate this payment method. It's crucial to understand that deactivating a payment method like a bank account will stop any transfers from occurring through this means. So ensure any pending transactions are completed or transferred to another active account before proceeding. Once you're ready, click Deactivate. And that's it. You've successfully removed a bank account from your Shopify settings. If you ever decide to add another account or switch payment providers, you can return to these settings to update and manage your payment options. Remember, transferring money will depend on the payment provider you have chosen, so it's essential to check how each provider handles fund transfers to avoid any interruption in your cash flow. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to remove a bank account from your Shopify store. We hope you found it informative and that you feel more confident managing your store's payment settings. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Have a fantastic day managing your Shopify store.